how to withdraw money from Kucoin to card or bank account. It is possible to withdraw money from Kucoin to a bank account. However, since Kucoin does not directly handle fiat transfers, there are a few additional processes involved. Transferring your cryptocurrency from Kucoin to another exchange that enables the conversion of cryptocurrency or fiat money and then withdrawing the funds to your bank account are the steps in the procedure. And now I'm going to show you those steps. So, step one, evaluate and choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Transferring cryptocurrency to another exchange is feasible on KuCoin, but not the other way around. Users must so first evaluate and decide on a cryptocurrency exchange that provides fiat to cryptocurrency transfers. So, as you can see here, Binance is among our best picks for use. It provides 14 fiat transactions, including USD, EUR, and GBP. Depending on the type of currency, different bank transfer methods apply. So, as you can see here, these are the information about Australian dollars. So, you can use bank transfers to remove AUD from Binance. And you can also see here the withdrawal fee. So this one is the first step. So the second step is way too easy. Once you have chosen your cryptocurrency exchange, you can now register for a new exchange account. So the next action is to open a cryptocurrency account on Binance or any other cryptocurrency exchange that users would like. On these platforms, the registration procedure is the same. So selecting the sign up option, putting in the login information, also the two-factor authentication number. And it's not necessary for the user to finish the verification process right away after creating it. To trade cryptocurrency on the platform, users must, however, authenticate their accounts. As a result, customers need to sign in, visit their dashboard, select account settings, and then select Get Verified. So, depending on the user's country and the KYC information, Binance verification processes can take up to 10 minutes. Users will be notified that they can use Binance to convert the cryptocurrency they transferred from KuCoin to fiat money after their account has been validated. So after you have verified your account, step three, sending crypto from KuCoin to Binance. So transferring coins from KuCoin to Binance upon completion of the verification process, users need to open KuCoin windows and go to the assets area. Consider the minimum and daily withdrawal limits when choosing which cryptocurrencies to withdraw. Users will be directed to the funds page. Investors can then choose the cryptocurrency from the list of coins. Also, users must enter the network address, so the amount of cryptocurrency they wish to withdraw, and their Binance wallet address is here. As a result, users need to locate the wallet address of the cryptocurrency they wish to get from KuCoin by opening the window where they have signed in into Binance account. Lastly, step four, taking money out of Binance. So to withdraw from Binance, users must then navigate to the fiat withdrawal page in their Binance window and follow the instructions below. Choosing the cryptocurrency they wish to remove, choosing the fiat to transfer from cryptocurrency to fiat, verifying the request for withdrawal, putting in the code for verification, waiting for the transfer to appear in the bank account after clicking the submit button. The bank account may not reflect the transfer on Binance for 5 minutes to a whole day. Just keep on updating and it will reflect pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.